And I fought hard and lost that battle.
I am a former NFL player. And after a hard loss, it's easy to wake up and point to the other side. Oftentimes, I realized the better thing to do was to look in the mirror. What mistakes did I make as a player? What mistakes did our coaching staff make? And then how can we improve from there? Amber made a mistake while she was on the stand, because you're saying it's the celebrity, it's Johnny, it's the people who support him. But what about you and your team?
The cases of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard is one that is causing all sorts of problems across many forms of media. But the more it lingers, the more it seems that Amber is losing some serious grounds in one form or the other. Now, the latest news is that of her lawyer quitting after Johnny Depp's victory. The lawsuit that has the entire United States, in which Johnny Depp sued his ex-wife Amber Heard for $50 million, accusing her of defamation due to an article that she wrote in a Washington Post arguing that she was a victim of domestic violence during their marital relationship, has recently taken a lot of turns and twists. And one of it also being the latest is the rumor that Elaine Bredehoft, Amber's attorney, has resigned after Johnny Depp won the case, and Amber was exposed for ruining Johnny. Rumors regarding Amber's lawyer quitting after the trial comes from a video posted on YouTube claiming Elaine quit after the cross-examination. Anyway, the news of Elaine's resignation is false. It's well known that the litigant is totally focused on winning the case and that she is planning the best strategies to avoid the defamation that Depp is claiming. The whole mess started during last week's hearing. Amber said that she had used a cosmetic product of the brand Milani Cosmetics in order to go to work and not have to show the severe injuries that her then husband would have caused her. But on Wednesday, June 1st, Johnny Depp won his defamation trial against Amber Heard, and Amber Heard lost most of her countersuit. In a stunning finish to the celebrity trial that has riveted the nation, Johnny was awarded $15 million in damages, including $5 million in punitive damages, which the judge capped to $350,000, the legal limit in Virginia. In total, he's entitled to $10.35 million. The jury awarded Amber $2 million, with the finding that former Johnny attorney Adam Waldman had defamed her. The Fairfax County, Virginia trial of Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard has become a media sensation in the recent months. According to Vanity Fair, as Court TV broadcast the trial, it doubled its daytime ratings. The hashtags that are associated with the trial have repeatedly trended across Twitter as viewers watch and discuss the celebrity case of the year, its messiness, its scandal, the glamorous movie stars at its heart, and the question of what to believe and how much. It is indeed the most talked about celebrity case of 2022. This was a murky, perplexing trial. While it was technically a defamation trial over a newspaper article with Johnny suing Amber at its center, was one big conflict. Amber Heard had said Johnny Depp abused her. Depp said Heard abused him. So what's the truth? Who among them is saying the truth? Judging from our post-Me Too world, both the jury in charge of the case and the loudest voices on the internet overwhelmingly sided with Johnny. That's despite the fact that Johnny already lost one version of this case in the UK, and while there's compelling evidence that violence came from both people in this marriage, it's far from clear that Amber was the primary aggressor. After all, she's the one who has had a case on domestic violence. What Johnny does have is the stronger public profile. Though it's been over a decade since he put out a true critical hit, he's delivered enough acclaimed work over the course of his long career to earn himself a fair amount of goodwill. But this career he built over the years has been ruined by Amber. After the court ruled in Johnny's favor, in a statement, Amber attributed Johnny's win squarely to that profile. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband, she said. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It's a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women statement is to be taken seriously. The star of hits like Edward Scissorhands, Donnie Brasco, and the many Pirates of the Caribbean sequels, Johnny has been nominated for 3 Oscars and been named People's Sexiest Man Alive twice. For a while at least, he was one of those people who are so bankable that they seem able to get away with anything. A white man who is also a true A-list sex symbol. He was up there in the upper echelon. George Clooney, Brad Pitt, Leonardo DiCaprio, and Johnny Depp. It's no longer a new news that Johnny's film career declined over the course of the 2010s. His personal and financial trouble started, and in 2017, Johnny sued both his longtime business managers and his entertainment lawyer, claiming that they had mismanaged his finances. An infamous Rolling Stone profile from this period paints Johnny as a fading and deluded icon, cut off from reality by his money, his fame, and copious amounts of drugs. He is, Rolling Stone declared brutally, a punchline, bankrupt, isolated, and one more mistake away from being blackballed from this industry. Amber, on her own part, was just beginning to approach the point of becoming a household name when she first met Johnny on the set of The Rum Diary in 2009. At that time, both were in relationships with other people. Over 20 years younger than Johnny, she had her first major job as a supporting character in the 2008 Judd Apatow stoner comedy Pineapple Express. When The Rum Diary came out in 2011, it was a sign that she was entering a new phase of her career, playing the love interest of A-listers. After that, Amber went on to land major roles in 2015's Magic Mike XXL and The Adderall Diaries. And in 2017, she was cast in her biggest role to date as Mira, the Queen in DC Comics' Aquaman franchise. From all indications, when these two figures met and throughout their marriage, Johnny Depp was a known quantity to the American public. Amber Heard was very much not. Moreover, their relationship coincided with Johnny's long and very public downward spiral. Is that really a coincidence? By 2012, Johnny and Amber split up with their respective partners and begun dating each other. In 2014, they got engaged, and in 2015, they got married. Everything was going well. Then in 2016, Amber filed for divorce. 4 days later, she filed a request for a restraining order. That was the beginning of this case that has dragged on until now. I know you'll be wondering how this once romantic relationship turned sour and eventually landed in court. It all started when Amber first publicly accused Johnny of domestic violence in May 2016, when days after filing for divorce, she requested and received a temporary restraining order on the grounds of domestic violence. Johnny's lawyer promptly issued a statement saying that Amber was lying, attempting to secure a premature financial resolution by alleging abuse. From all indications, Amber was just clout chasing and wanted to top up her celebrity profile by accusing Johnny. Along the line, the duo eventually reached an out-of-court divorce settlement in August 2016. Amber withdrew her request for a permanent restraining order. Amber and Johnny also issued a joint statement that bizarrely made the claim that neither of the contradictory statements each made about each other were true. On the one hand, there was never an intent of physical or emotional harm, so Johnny wasn't abusive, and on the other, neither party has made false accusations for financial gains. So according to their statement, Amber wasn't lying for a better financial settlement. In what appeared to be a move meant to back up the second half of that joint statement, Amber, who reportedly got $7 million in the settlement, announced that she would donate her settlement to charity, dividing it between the ACLU and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. Well, this announcement seemed to be sending the signal that they've been looking for. Amber couldn't have been lying about Johnny abusing her for money because she didn't get any money out of the divorce. What motivation for making her accusation could she have unless it were true? Notwithstanding that, some gossip outlets like TMZ didn't waste time taking sides with Johnny and declared Amber a liar. In her op-ed, Heard claims that she was dropped from a movie and a fashion advertising campaign after making her accusations. Johnny, meanwhile, kept working. In December 2016, it was announced that he would play a key role in the Harry Potter spin-off franchise Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. Now, it has been confirmed mere rumors about Amber's attorney quitting, media houses and fans worldwide will cut them some slack now. Your thoughts and comments are welcomed in the comment section. And do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting topics.